So our next team is founded by a group of guys. Just as an example, I walked by their workstation one day, deep discussion, a bunch of people have clustered over to talk about machine learning. Typical day at the CBJ booth here at SkyDeck. They've been working on technology using AI for finance, but they're honing in on what they're calling invest tech. They're launching something really interesting. Here to tell you about it is Ahmed Bakhaty. Ahmed.
Good afternoon. My name is Ahmed, co-founder of CBJ, and thank you for joining us for our company showcase. CBJ Global is an artificial intelligence boutique that uses data science and computational mathematics to identify profitable investment opportunities in a variety of financial and non-financial markets. Our work isn't just the application of AI, but it's centered around discovery. We want to know in which markets we have the greatest monetary advantages. Let's make that more concrete. Real estate. We're able to anticipate surges in property values by analyzing historical trends in data that's easily accessible, like annual income, police reports, and more. VCs. The state-of-the-art in venture capital right now is a mixture of experience and emotion. But with artificial intelligence, we're not only able to identify promising startups, they're here at SkyDeck, but also how much to allocate to them. Finance, on the other hand, is a saturated space with many players, most of which are losers. But don't take my word for it. Data shows that most money managers fail to beat the benchmark, and the ones that do can't do so consistently. But still, they charge aggressive fees. With artificial intelligence, we're breaking ground in that space as well. Over a 10-year period, we're able to double the returns of the market without paying any analysts or researchers, no management, speculation, bureaucracy, just carefully measured decision process and artificial intelligence. This is a product we're going to offer as a service to institutional investors and high net worth individuals who are interested in getting advantage in the market. Let's jump a little bit into the science behind how this works. We've developed a custom proprietary artificially intelligent algorithm that looks at complex relationships over a wide range of data and assets globally, and takes an index like the S&P 500 and is able to deconstruct it into the real factors that drive its growth. And then a custom optimization algorithm, we're able to put it back together in a way that delivers a slight but consistent advantage. And this algorithm was developed by our all-star team that holds 8 graduate degrees from UC Berkeley, Stanford, UChicago. My co-founders, Mustafa and Malik, unfortunately aren't here today, but we're joined by an all-star team of advisors, including our fantastic advisor through SkyDeck, a tenured UC Berkeley electrical engineering and computer science professor, and the former chief of investments at State Street Global, one of the largest financial institutions in the world. So at this point, you're probably wondering, what exactly is CBJ? Is it a consultancy, a hedge fund, a laboratory, an exclusive club? Well, it's all that and a bag of chips. To summarize succinctly, we're a team that's uncovering the strangely effective ways that data science and computational mathematics can give us an edge on investing. We are not a fintech group, but we're pioneering a new market we like to call invest tech. So you might want to throw your money at us at this point, but we're not actively raising. Instead, what we're looking for is introductions to institutional investors that will be interested in our suite of products. We've also identified an overwhelming need for data science consulting. And so we've partnered up with the head of applied data science at Teradata to form a subsidiary of CBJ we call Metanumerics, which means beyond the numbers, where we build custom AI solutions to bring businesses to the 22nd century. So we wrap up this presentation by raffling away a few of these amazing jumpers. If you're interested, text your size to the number you see, and we'll use our custom proprietary random algorithms to pick 3 winners, and I'll deliver them to you at the lobby. So I want to leave you with a small story. In 1988, a group of researchers got together in a warehouse in Northern California and started developing some computerized investment algorithms. That group today is known as BlackRock and is managing over $5 trillion in assets. At the time, their work was revolutionary. Fast forward 3 decades, we're a group of researchers coming out of Berkeley and Chicago, and we're sitting on the revolutionary technology of machine learning and artificial intelligence. And CBJ Global is planning on bringing that to investment. Thank you very much.